What's up, everybody? Toni is here, and I have been wearing protective styles and natural hairstyles for the past 7 months. So I've been wearing my wig recently, and I'm like, okay, I need to go ahead and wash my hair. And I wanted to see how long my hair was. I have not had it straightened in over 7 months. So I'm like, why not? This is the perfect opportunity. So we'll also be doing a length check as well. So as you can see, I've just started to take my braids out, and I'm just going piece by piece and just taking my braids out completely until my whole head is completely unraveled. So this is the finished product once I've taken all of my braids out. It is very full. I love the volume. My hair is super thick, but it's still lightweight. I'm doing a quick little semi length check kind of. Hey guys, so I'm actually going to get my hair straightened. I have not gotten my hair straightened in months. So I just took my braids down. I had a protective style in for months. So I've gotten re-braided in between the different styles that I've been using. But I was like, okay, let's go ahead and straighten my hair and see how long it is and really check the length. So I just took all my braids down. This is how it looks. I'm going to wash my hair. I already have a video of my full wash day routine. So if you want to know what that's all about, go look into my videos. I'll also have the link in my bio, and you can check that video out if you want to know how I wash my hair. So I'll link it in the cards above as well. So you can click on that and you can watch my wash day routine, and I'll be back with you guys. So I'll see you in a minute. Hey lovely, so I am so glad that my curls have reverted back. Like, I love seeing that because I did blow dry my hair before I got it braided down. So every time I wash my hair after certain protective styles, I'm always like, yes, my curls are still here, because it is so easy to get heat damage. I've had it done twice in my lifetime, and I ended up doing a big chop after that because it messed up my natural styles, because then you got these straight straggly ends and you can't do nothing with that. So I actually have some shampoo in my hair right now. I'm about to go through and shampoo my scalp thoroughly just to make sure I get all that gunk and nastiness that's been sitting on my head since the last time I got it braided down. So I'm about to shampoo my hair thoroughly and finish with my wash day process, and then I'll come back to show you guys how I protect my hair from heat damage when I do straighten my hair or blow dry my hair or things of that nature. So stick with me, y'all. So I just washed out my deep conditioner. I washed it out with the plaits in it because it makes it easier for me to put in my leave-in conditioner and all my protective styling products. So I just pulled away all the other sections that I'm not going to be using right now, and I just have the one section pulled away. So I'm going to unravel it and then add all my little goodies in there. Okay, so now that it's all unraveled, I'm going to take my towel and I'm just going to kind of dry any of that excess water off, because I want to make sure my hair absorbs all the product that I'm going to put into it. So the first product is this Cantu Thermal Shield Heat Protectant. So I'm just going to spray this all the way through. I've been using this for a while, since being natural, whenever I like blow dry or straighten my hair, and it does what it's supposed to do. Like, for real. Like, I use this by itself, and every time I wear my natural hair or wash it or whatever after having it straightened or blow dried, my curls revert right back, y'all. It does. So I just worked it in with my hands. Now I'm using my handy dandy shampoo brush just to make sure it's thoroughly in there and also still kind of detangle it at the same time. So then I'm going to add some tea tree oil. I love tea tree oil, y'all. So I'm just putting that in there. That actually helps seal in the moisture, but it also helps with my dry, itchy scalp that I have. So I always use that. Then I'm going with another heat protectant. It is Mega Silk Olive Glossing Polish. It's by Silk Elements, but this is also a heat protectant serum. So not only do I use the spray, but I use an oil serum as well. I used to just use the Thermal Shield by itself, but I started using this oil serum because whenever I straighten my hair, I find that it looks more silky smooth. So now I'm just getting extra protection. Ooh, my hair is dripping. Last but not least, we are going to put in a leave-in conditioner. I'm using the Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioning Cream. Bomb.com, y'all. I love it, I love it, I love it. I love using creams versus sprays because my hair is just so thick and it's hard to retain moisture. So I feel like oils and creams and things with like a thicker consistency works best for my hair than just trying to spray something on there. It's not going to take very well. So now I'm just going to detangle it, get it all worked in there, and then I'm going to put it into a plait. So now I'm just going to plait it all the way down, and when I get closer to the end, I'm going to detangle the end and wrap it around my finger. Just kind of coil it, that way the braid stays in there and I don't have any little naps. Voila. So I'm literally going to do this throughout my entire head. So once again, I'm using a spray heat protectant, I'm using tea tree oil, I'm using an oil heat protectant serum, and then I'm putting in a leave-in conditioner. Once I'm done doing that over my entire head, I'm going to use the handy dandy Sulfur 8 Medicated Original Foil Conditioner. So I have really bad dry scalp, and I've tried so many different shampoos and oils and things of that nature, and it just was not working for me. So I'm like, okay, I just gotta go old school, y'all. So I went back to Sulfur 8. This is the only product that has been helping me maintain my dry, itchy scalp and my dandruff. Like, since I started using that, my hair is not flaking, my scalp is not flaking up again or anything like that. So I actually wash my hair with Sulfur 8 shampoo, and then when I'm done putting in my leave-in conditioner and all of that, then I put in the hair conditioner on my scalp. So once I go through all the sections, then I'm going to take that conditioning gel and I'm going to put it through all my little parts in the sections. I'm going to put it around my perimeter, in the front and the back as well, and that helps maintain my dry, itchy scalp and my dandruff in between my wash days and changing my different styles. So this really works for me. If you have that issue, you can try it yourself. Sometimes you just got to go back to the old school, okay? Go back to the handy daddy old-fashioned way, and that has helped me a lot. So I'm going to finish doing that throughout my whole head, and once I'm done, I'm actually going to let it air dry for a couple hours. With letting it air dry for a couple hours, it just cuts down on the time that I'm going to put heat on my hair, because I'm going to have to blow dry it before it gets straightened. So by letting it air dry, my hair is like 80% dry, and then I just have to do fewer strokes with the blow dryer. That way it minimizes the amount of heat that I'm putting on it. So I'm just going to finish up with my hair, and then I'll get back with you guys when it's time to blow dry. Alright, so as y'all can see, I just put all my low grade products in my hair, and I greased my scalp with the Sulfur 8 conditioning gel. So now I'm just unraveling one section of my hair. I'm using my shampoo brush to detangle it, just to make sure everything is just thoroughly detangled so I don't have any knots and hiccups when I'm trying to blow dry. And I did let my hair dry for about an hour, so now I am just starting to blow dry it section by section. My hair is extremely thick, so it holds a lot of water and moisture, so it does take a while for me to try to let it dry naturally. So I have my blow dryer set on medium heat, and it's at the high speed. So I put it on medium heat just because I don't want to put so much heat on my hair at once, especially with doing however many strokes it takes to dry it, and I like to get my hair completely dry. Now this is just the back section all the way across. Now my hair is completely blow dried, and you can see how full it is. This is my baby girl's hair. She got her hair blow dried as well. Now we are starting the straightening process, y'all. I am lazy, and at this point my arms is tired, so I got my sister to start straightening my hair for me. And this is just the back section. She's using the chase method, where you use the comb and the flat iron. This is where the flat iron chases the comb. Now this is the finished product, y'all. I love it. My curls are so bouncy and flowy, y'all. My hair is literally at waist length when it's just straightened all the way down before you add the curls. I love it, love it, love it. I was so shocked that my hair had grew so much in just that short period of time. And this is my baby girl. I let her get her hair straightened as well, and she was loving it, y'all. Her hair has grown so much too. So this is the finished product, y'all. I hope y'all love this video. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell.